is water conductor. Like if you're lost in the forest and so, without water, you can cut it and get water.
What's it called?
Coupa. You can cut it. And we mix this with the next vine called Capadulla, Devil's Doer, Granny's Backbone, Monkey's Ladder, and then there's a root called Sarsaparilla. You boil them together and make a tea. And you drink it like a teacup every morning. Or you soak it and make a wine, you chip it up, and you can ferment a wine with it and drink it. A herbal viagra. Yeah, it's widely used in Guyana, you know, a lot of...
As viagra.
You can boil it in like it.
I'm sure none of the guys here.
Well, you see, the guys here need it because it's like 9 women to 1 man here. So it's hard to read. You gotta keep busy all the time. Okay, this is the Capadulla Vine. It's one of the vine that they use to Capadulla. So this is where Tarzan first came in our forest. He used to climb on this. You know how we got his song?
Oh.
How we got the song?
He was
He
falling?
normally used to travel through the jungle very silent.
Oh.
So one day he had Jane on his back and she was slipping. So the only place she could hold on to was his scrotum. So when she squeezed it, now he yelled, "Ooh!" And from that day, that song left in his throat. So he wasn't silent anymore. So it was a Guyanese song, right? So, Just to find around this area here. They got a cougar or puma. You find them mostly around here in the night. They come to feed on the deer. The local name for a cougar is deer tiger. The deer love these small leaves. If you want to see one, could come here.
Oh, there's one. I'm just joking.
You saw when you see yesterday. Capadulla, you never drink it? Capadulla?
No.
Must try it, it's nice, you know, it tastes like cocoa.
They have
When
it.
you boil it,
They have it in the
when you go to the markets, they
Yeah.
have them selling the different parts. It make a lovely tea. It drives the heat in your body when you drink it. You know, it gives you the, wow, it corks you up, man.
I'll check with the stepmother.
It's good. One of some guys drank it. They were working in the interior and they made a potion and they drank it like about 3 days straight before they come to Georgetown. And they had to get surgery.
Oh.
Yeah. They rushed them to the hospital. Have you been on any other tours other than this?
This is the first one. I mean, my stepmother drove me to the bridge yesterday.
The Harbour Bridge.
Right, and
You went over?
yeah, we actually went over it. Right. Then
You toured the city already?
yeah. Went down to the city to buy a cell phone, a prepaid cell phone.
Oh, okay.
So I did that, and
No, they got a nice historical tour, Georgetown, you could do. All the buildings and stuff.
just, I'll see that before I leave.
The botanical gardens and the parliament building.
Because I mean, I saw the park or the gardens, whatever it is, and that's
The botanical gardens.
not about. I don't. It's not a botanical gardens. Just some park.
Oh.
Park that's close to the defense force or something like that.
Oh, the national park.
The national park, right?
Yeah.
But it's just flat. There's nothing in it.
No, there's a national park. But they have the botanical gardens with the manatee
Okay.
and the zoological park. Is that right in the botanical garden? Part of the botanical garden. Kitchen Bridge. The national park, there used to be a golf course in the colonial days. And after we got independent, it became national park.
Nobody
We
plays
call it
golf
the
anymore.
Golf Club.
I can hear this one.